everyone, and welcome back to another video. So welcome to part 5, aka the finale of my Please Donate series. So in this video, all you're going to be learning how to make the donation side, ID saving, so you don't have to enter your ID every single time, and the map, like when you have a circular thing. So, but before I start, I want everyone to drop a sub and help me hit 500 subscribers, because at 500 subscribers, I will be doing I will be hosting a developing contest for 500 Robux, and I will post a video about that later. So let's get started, okay? So if you look at my previous model, that's not gonna work anymore. If you want to have the donation side and ID saves, so you're gonna have to use a new model, which will be in the description after like a few hours or something like that. Okay? So let's start. So let's go to server subscribers and go to our stats script. We have to start adding to this. Okay? We're gonna do local folder equals to instance.new folder, comma PLR. Then we're gonna do folder.name equals to IDs. So this will be part of the ID saves thingy, which is vital for the sign. Okay, so local slot 1 equals to instance.new int value, comma player. Slot 1 dot name equals to slot 1, and then slot 1 dot value equals to 0. So basically, for every single slot you have that holds an ID, make a ID for it. But don't, like, you know how slot 6 is the sign, don't make one for it. Only anywhere where there's IDs. So I'm going to comment this. This will be slot 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll edit these locals. Slot 2, okay, control, paste, slot 3, paste, and then slot 4, paste, and then slot 5 finally. Paste, and then this one will be slot 2, this one will be slot 3, this one will be slot 4, and then this one will be slot 5. Okay, now that we have that, we will do, let's see. Oh yeah, and in the donated message, we actually have to delete the message, okay? Just delete this here. We're gonna put that somewhere else, okay? So just delete that, your donated message. Only make sure it gives the price, okay? So this is vital for the side, okay? Now, in the stands thing, right? In the stands thing, go to your claim script, okay? And go here, okay? The script up here, the triggered script, okay? We are gonna edit that, so every single time a player joins, it will, every time a player claims the stand, it will, So, let's see what it is. Wait, let me remember it. Okay, so it's here. So basically what this will do is gonna check all of the IDs. So we're gonna do here for underscore comma IDs in pairs, player dot IDs get children do. Then we're gonna do if IDs dot value does not equal to 0, then for underscore comma parts in pairs, and then pairs, script.pair get children, so .parent, so script.parent get children, so parent, so everything at the stand. Then we're gonna do if IDs.name, sorry, I'm a bit stuffy today, if IDs.name equals to parts.name, so that's why it's named slot 1, slot 2, so you can find all of these. Okay. Then we're gonna do local clone. Okay, equals to script.click detector clone. So we're gonna go into the edit script, copy this click detector, and do this. Boom, click detector right here. Okay, local clone to script.click detector clone, and as you can see, we have the script and value in there, which we need. Clone dot value equals to IDs dot value. Then clone dot parent equals to part, and then parts dot surface GUI dot text label dot text equals to game dot marketplace service get product info IDs dot value dot price in Robux. No, oh oops, not dot, just dot. Okay, and then dot over here space R and then dollars. Okay, so now that we have the proximity script done, let's get a bunch of other scripts done. Now we have to edit the edit script. See, this side makes everything change. Okay, so see this area, local part, we're gonna take this, okay, we're gonna put it down here, paste it down here, and delete everything here. Just delete the clothes section, okay, but keep that local part there. There, so like that, okay. And now we're gonna do to check if, like, let's say we don't want duplicate things, okay. So now we're gonna do local IDs for check equals to 2 number ID over here. Okay, then we're gonna do for underscore comma stuff in pairs. Stands get children do if string dot find stuff dot name comma slot and stuff dot name does not equal to slot 6, which is the sign, right? Then we're gonna do for underscore comma IDs in pairs player dot IDs get children do if player then we're gonna do local player ID equals to 2 number no IDs dot value. Look, player ID is just I just did that I just made that a local. It's not his user ID, but something like that, okay? Then we're gonna do if player ID equals to IDs for check. Then game storage dot, this is where we need a new one. We're gonna insert a remote event and we're gonna call this repeat dot repeat fire client player and then a return here so it doesn't go farther in the script. And then just to edit the script once more, right here we're gonna do player dot IDs find first child name dot value equals to ID, so it saves it, okay? Okay, and I think we'll also need a save stats script now. So we're just gonna use our free huddle script, I'm sorry, but because that saves each one of them. So right now we're done with the edit script, so let's, wait, I have one in my please donate game, so I'll just get that out from there. So I will just get my stats script, save stats script, and I will get that. So I will open Studio, go to my own please donate game, donate please, and I'll look for my save stats script. Sorry about that. Okay, save stats, this is what we need. Okay, we will go here, and we will paste this here, save stats, okay? So then basically, I used a free model for this one because it was way easier. So basically, it just finds, see, it just finds their IDs, and then it just finds the folder, and then it just saves everything in the folder. So no need to edit anything here, okay? So now that we are done with the edit script, let's make this message thing. Sorry if I'm going on and off in random places, but at the end of this tutorial, everything will be good. So because you know how we delete the message here, let's have the message over here. Then we're gonna do local marketplace service equals to game get service marketplace service. No, marketplace service, right? Then we're gonna do marketplace service dot prompt purchase finished connect function take this out. Player ID purchased. Okay. Okay, just like we have that here, player ID purchased. Now here, okay. Now we're gonna do for underscore comma players in pairs game not players get children do if players find first child IDs, then for underscore comma IDs in pairs sorry about that, players dot IDs get children if I'm right. Players dot ID. Sorry, I'm a little stuffy. Get children. Do if ID dot value equals to ID. Okay. No. If ID's dot value. Okay. Okay. So if this ID for the player ID equals to the ID here, so that means they have donated to them. Then we're gonna do local other player equals to game dot players find first child players dot name. Okay. Now we're gonna do if other player and player, then we're gonna do local price equals to game get service marketplace service get product info over here, get product info ID dot price in Roblox. Okay. Then we're gonna do if price, no, not if print, if price, then local message equals to player dot name dot has donated dot price dot Robux 2 space dot other player dot name dot like that, and then we're gonna do game.replicate storage.chat fire all clients message and then return. Okay, now we have the message done. Now let's start doing the GUI work. Okay, so I will get everything now. Time to do everything for the GUI. So now we're gonna do so you know how each time the player gets here, their IDs come up. So now we also have to make their IDs come up on the GUI. So we're gonna go to main. We're gonna make this frame visible. Okay. So in this area, see in slot 1, go here. Not inside the text pane, but here. Okay. Wait 3. If game.players.local player find first child IDs, then if game.players.local player.IDs find first child script.parent.name, which is slot 1, then if game.players.local player.IDs find first child script.parent.name.value does not equal to 0, then script.parent.text equals to game.players.local player.ID find first child script.parent.name.value. Okay, like that. Okay, and then see this script, we're gonna copy it, we're gonna paste it in slot 3, 4, and 5, not 6, since that's side text. Okay? Now that we have that done, let's move on. There's so many things I have to do. Okay, so you know how we have this repeat thing? We're gonna get this text label going. See this? Duplicate this. Now we're in this, dot repeat, dot onClient event connect function, Then we're gonna do you have already, oh, what was that typing? You have already submitted this ID on a previous slot. So it doesn't dupe it, okay? Or else if it dupes, then there's gonna be multiple messages at once. So that's that. Okay, next script. There's so many scripts I have to do. Okay? I think now we can get to the side now that everything is done. If I'm right. I don't know. I think we can. I don't know. Is there anything else that I'm missing? Nope. Okay, I think now we are good for the side. Okay? So let's make this frame not visible anymore. And now let's do the side. Okay? So let's insert a part. Okay? This part, okay, this part will be, okay, this is gonna get a bit we're gonna be building a tool, okay? So this is where all 5 IDs will hold, okay? So we're gonna take these 5 slots, copy them, and then paste them into workspace. We're gonna move them here onto the side, okay? So let's do that. Let's get it lined up and even, so it looks nice at least. Okay, so we'll take these 5, go here, let's move it by 0.1, like that, go like this, and then move it onto here. Come on, I saw that white thing. Yes, yes, come on. Bruh! Okay, good. Okay, this looks like even, it's even enough. We will move this down like this, okay? Let's do 0.5. Okay, now we have this. This will be, we will call this slot 6. Okay, since this will have all, we will call this slot 6. Since this will have the text on it. You can customize this side. I'm just doing this as fast as I can. Let's take the color from here. What am I doing? Okay, so let's take the color, this, and then we'll just color these parts so they look nice. See? Perfect. And then we have to insert surface GUI, text label, and then make sure it's on the right side. So front, back. Okay, see, it's on the back. Text label, size 1010. We'll make the default text, please donate. And to make this nice, we will do this like that, just to make it look nice. Okay, so now we have this, and now we need the handle, so we're gonna go like this. This will be the handle of the side. I know it looks ugly as anything. Like that. No, I don't think that's centered. Is this centered? Nope. So 0.25, I think. Nope, not 525. Like this. Yeah. Okay, that will work. Okay. Down. Okay, now we have the donate side. Then we're gonna insert a tool into workspace. We're gonna call this tool donation side. Like, no, why am I doing that? Okay, donation side. Okay, this scripting tutorial is gonna be really long, but okay. Donation side. No, not the raised list report. And then we're gonna put this inside the donation side. So now we have this, right? Remove every single weld that is in these parts. You're gonna have to do that, or else the tool will not work. I'm sorry, but this is what you have to do. Just remove every weld, if there is one. Okay, and then is there any welds? Okay, no more welds, okay? So now we have this. Now we're gonna have to use a plugin. Okay, so first we have to name a handle, because we need a handle for this. See this part over here? Name it handle for the tool. And now, see this, you're gonna have to get this welding thing. I'll leave the link of the weld plugin in the description, and you're gonna have to use the create weld profile button. So just check the description. the weld profile will be there. Select all of this and press create weld profile. So now we have this. And now we have to use tool grip editor. So it's 5 Robux. I'll also leave this in the description. Look how massive that is. So we'll scale this down. Okay. So now let's do that again. Tool grip editor. Let's see. I think we're gonna have to rotate it. Yeah, we're gonna have to rotate. So let's rotate this 90 degrees. And let's see what it turns out. Sorry about that. Okay, let's see what it turns out to be at the donation side. Let's see. Let's press play. We haven't still scripted yet. We still have to do that. Okay, we have to re-weld it because I shrunk it, but let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, obviously laggy. At least I'm holding the side. That's a good thing. So let's just now we have to delete the weld script, the weld profile, and the weld, and then this weld. Delete every single weld. Weld. Well, no. Oops. You don't want to delete the surface GUI. Weld, and then finally weld. Okay, now we are good with this. Okay, now let's create another weld profile. Plugins, create weld profile. Let's press play, and now let's see what happens. I hope this works. And make sure it's unanchored. I think that's gonna be a problem. Yeah, make sure it's unanchored. Your tools cannot be anchored. Model. Okay, everything should be unanchored. So let's take this. Anchor off. Okay, good. Okay. That means the part should be on the ground. Okay. What happened to my arm? Okay. Okay. It's working. We have please donate, but nothing is functional yet. So we will have to make this functional. So now let's add some scripts into the side. Okay, so let's see. First we need a GUI for this, obviously. So see how we have this text button that says edit side, right? Edit stand. Go like this. And then edit side. And then make the text button name edit side. Okay. See these scripts? Remove this on client event connect function. Just remove that. Okay, like that. And then instead of a frame, we're gonna duplicate this frame. Okay. We're gonna name it edit side frame. Okay. So edit side. We'll do the side frame. Dot side frame. Not visible equals to true. We're gonna make this. We're gonna open this. We only want side text. Okay, because the IDs will automatically come from the stand. So we do not need IDs here. Okay, or else it's not gonna work. So we just need this. And then we should shrink this by a lot. Okay. Like this, I think that'll work, but then we make this bigger. Let's see. Let's do like this, and then let's make this like a bit wider. Like that. Yes. Okay. And now let's have a local script. So let's see what we have to do here. So it's gonna be so script up here, development local text to script up here, and then look. Okay, look. So here instead of edit, we're gonna make a new remote event called edit side. Edit side. So not edit side fire server. Okay. So now we have that done. Side frame visible equals to false. Now let's put some scripts in the side, because that is vital to this. Sorry about that. Okay. let's make and also let's do let's see. What do we? Okay, so we're gonna make a equip side. Okay, so we're gonna go to let's see, side. Where's the side? Okay, insert a local script. Call it equip. I'm sorry, this is gonna be like a 30-minute tutorial. What are we at? We are at 25 minutes. I'm sorry, but this won't be any shorter. It's gonna be very complex. So script.parent.equipped connect function. Okay, then we're gonna do local player equals to game.players find first child script.parent.name, right? Then we're gonna do if player, then player.player GUI dot main, okay, dot edit side dot visible equals to true. So basically, this edit side button will only be visible when it is equipped. Okay. Okay, so let's go back here. Alright. Now we're gonna get the sides, every single thing from the stand. Okay, this is where the ID saving has to come in. So for underscore comma IDs in pairs of player dot IDs. Okay, get children do. Okay, then we're gonna do if IDs dot value does not equal to 0, then for underscore comma parts in pairs script dot parent get children. Oh wait, this is a problem. Make this a normal script. I'm sorry about that. Make this a normal script. Don't make it a local script. Sorry about that. Paste everything here. Delete this thing. Okay, or else it's not gonna work. Let's call it equip. For underscore comma parts script.parent get children do okay. If IDs dot name equals to parts dot name, then local clone. Okay, this is where we need a click detector again, so we will take this. Okay, we will take that. Give me a second. Wait. So click detector. You will paste this here. Local clone equals to script dot click detector clone. Sorry, I'm so stuffy. Dot click detector clone. Then not then. Then clone dot value equals to IDs dot value. Clone dot parent equals to parts, and then parts dot surface GUI dot text label dot text equals to game dot marketplace service get product info IDs dot value dot price in Robux dot R dollars. Okay, now we have that done. Let's do the unequipped script. I think we only have like 4 more scripts to go. Yeah, 4 more scripts to go. Sorry, this is really a long tutorial, okay? Okay, duplicate this, call it unequip. Delete this script. Okay, unequipped. So script.parent.unequipped connect function, delete all of this. Just delete everything in here. So just keep all of that. Okay? So now we're gonna do local player.name, so script.parent.parent.name, or game.players find first child, script.parent.parent.parent.name. No, not mesh content provider, or whatever that is. Okay? Now we're gonna do player.player GUI.edit side visible equals to false. That's all it does. Okay? Okay, that's all it does. 3 more scripts to go, and then we are done out of this let's call this a hell for now. Okay, so now now we have to see how we have edit side. Now we have to create a script for, so now we're gonna go to a script. We're gonna call this edit side. So now we're gonna do game.replicated storage.edit side on server event connect function player name and the ID. Local car equals to player.character. Local side equals to car. Find first child donation side. Now we're gonna do if side, then for underscore comma stands in pairs side get children do. I don't know why I made it stand, but I don't know. So now we're gonna do if name equals to slot 6 and stands.name equals to slot 6, then local part equals to stands. That's it. If part, then local filtered message equals to game get service chat filter string for broadcast ID comma player. Okay, then we're gonna do part dot surface GUI dot text label dot text equals to filtered message game dot replicated storage dot error fire client player comma false. Now we're gonna do wait.1. Now we're gonna do player dot text. No. Now we're gonna do if now we're gonna see how we have if side, so we're gonna go all the way down here. Then we're gonna do else game dot replicated storage. So now we need another thing, another remote event. Oops. Unequipped game dot replicated storage dot unequipped fire client player. Okay, now we have to now we have to deal with that one. So go here, duplicate this game.unequipped. Okay, now we're gonna do make sure your donation side is equipped. Make sure your donation side is equipped. And now one more script, this is optional. So if you want your donation side to be part of a Game Pass, right? We're gonna insert a script here. I'm not gonna do it just for testing purposes. Donation side, just call it donation side. Okay, and then if you want to do that, then you're gonna want to insert your donation side into here. Okay, and make sure. I noticed this. Make sure your message is that donate. Okay, so now we're gonna do. This is our last script, and this is optional. So we're gonna do game.players.player add a connect function. Let's do this fast. Player local owns the Game Pass equals to game.marketplace service. User owns Game Pass async. Player.user ID comma. I'll just do your underscore ID underscore here. Okay. If owns Game Pass, then wait 2 local clone equals to script dot donation side clone. Then we're gonna do clone dot parent equals to player dot backpack, and then we're gonna do player dot character added connect function. Then we're gonna do wait 1 script dot donation side clone. No, we're gonna do local clone equals to script and then clone dot parent equals to player dot backpack. But for the time being, for testing purposes, I'm gonna put in the starter pack. Okay, let's press play and let's see if this works. So we have to test that the ID saves plus the donation side. So let's get some of my IDs for my clothing. So let's go to Roblox library. What are we at? 35 minutes. GG. This is gonna be the longest video I've ever uploaded. So shirts. Okay, shirts. So let's get this one and then this one. Let's just do these two. Okay, so this one is 10 Robux. I will go here. So as you can see, nothing's on right now. Okay. Oh, that's let's see, donation. Yeah, this is the errors, and then money. Oh, okay, yeah, this is that's the badge thing. Okay, that's the badge thing, the model I made, so that doesn't matter. So those are errors from the previous tutorial. Okay, let's add this. Okay, so now, claim. Why is it edit sign being invisible? Edit sign is not a valid member, so let's see. Oh, I see problem. Okay. Okay, we have to change one thing. So the donation sign in the unequipped script. Player.gui.main.edit sign. Then I'll just do here. .main.edit sign. Sorry about that. Okay, and then now it should flash, if I'm right. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. Okay, good. That works. But now let's see. Let's paste my ID. Submit. Successfully updated. And then let's also do one in slot 5. And then we will see if the IDs go on there. Submit. And then we're going to do E here, because why not? Okay, 10 Robux, 50 Robux. Equipped. Does it work? We got a typo. GG. 5's for child. We got a typo. Okay. Sorry about that. I think now that will work. We have a typo. Perfect. We are too good. We have typos. Okay, we have typos. Okay, now let's fix this. Submit. And then this one will also submit. E. Okay. So now we have 50 Robux, 10 Robux. Put this here. Now what are the errors? Value. Edit 32. Okay, player.IDs. Find first child name. So what is name? So player.IDs. I see the problem. Okay, we didn't make the parent ID, so we're gonna go see bunch of errors. I don't know. So we're gonna go to the stats script, and I think that will be it. So stats. Yeah, see, instead of comma player, this is supposed to be comma folder. See, these are supposed to be comma folder. Okay, now I am positive that this will work. We're probably at 40 minutes or something. Claim. Okay, successfully updated, and then go here. Successfully updated. Any errors? Nope. Yep, 10 Robux, 50 Robux. Instantly goes on there. Okay, now let's see if it saves. Wait, let's do edit sign, E. Yup, successfully updated the sign. Let's say I unequipped and I do E. Make sure your donation sign is equipped. Let's press play. Let's press play. Let's see if my ID is saved. Please tell me. Yup, ID is saved. They're both there. The ID is saved. It will be on the stand. Boom, ID is saved. And now let's quickly teach you how to make a quick map. This is going to be 0 effort. I'm just going to show you how to make that the classic please donate map. I'm too lazy to make a circle. So we will do this. Because I am too lazy to rotate it. Flat circle, okay? So we have this part, okay, right? Make sure it's even on all sides. So 10. Let's stretch it out by like 50. Okay? This is the map part. 50, 50, okay? Right? And then let's also do another 50. Right? Okay? Now, we're gonna duplicate this part, and we're gonna go like this, make it smaller, and then make it smaller again. Okay? So, let's see, is that, nope, okay, wait. So, look, let's see what we have here. So, see this part, duplicate, smaller, 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 nope, smaller, okay? Now we will duplicate this, and then this part will go like this, okay? Now in this section, press negate, and then click this one, and then press union. So now there's a big hole there. So now in this part we can shrink it, so like 10, 10, 10, and then 10. So now we have that like main area, as you can see. And then we can put like one leaderboard here, and another here. One leaderboard here, another one there. See, I'm putting minimal effort. Okay, and then we can like do a part here. Or just, no, you can do that. I'm too lazy, I'm sorry. Okay, so look, now this has some, now we have to do some calculating. So make sure this is here. Okay, now this will take some approximation. So, see, this is at the edge, like, just put it 10 away from the edge. Okay, like that. Now we're going to duplicate this, pull it all the way to the other side, rotate it 90, and then put it as close to the edge as you can, and then pull it 10 away. Okay, that's, and then pull it 10 away. Now make your rotation about 10. Control. So now selecting both of them, press Control D and then rotate. Actually, no, that's too much. Do this, control this. Rotation will be 15. Control D, rotate, Control D, rotate. See how all the stands are like this? Rotate, rotate, Control D, rotate. See how all the stands are? Rotate, 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 rotate. Something like that. My calculation was even, so you see it's like this. It actually looks pretty cool. So, and then just insert a spawn location. Spawn location. Okay, so since now that's gonna be it, so since you watched the entire video, you're here, I'm gonna let you know that there's a model in the description. So this entire model will be in the description. So I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like. So that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can hit 500 subscribers and, you know, have the developing contest. Bye!